Hello everyone. So today we are going to learn about how to do advertiser verification for businesses. So there are two types of Google Ads account we have. One is individual and one is business. So individual who do not have any business registration like private limited or GST. So those comes under individual. And whoever has a business and they want to claim GST for spending on Google Ads, so they need to verify as a business. And in the account, while creating the account, you need to mention that you are creating the account as a individual or business. So I have covered these things in a video account creation. So if you have not watched my video, then go and watch about the account creation. Um, and then you can come over here and continue with the business verification of this Google Ads account. So business advertiser verification is one of the important advertiser verification is one of the important thing which you need to do. Otherwise, your ads will get paused. So it's a mandatory thing from Google that you have to do the advertiser verification. So if you can see in this account, and I'll walk you through how to do the advertiser verification, how to do advertiser verification for your Google Ads account. So let's get started. Uh, what we will do is we will go into mouse over on billing. You can see in the left side over here, and you see this option, advertiser verification. So we'll click on this. So you can go with the basics. So I always suggest that whatever you are doing, do the due diligence, understand why you are doing the thing. Any kind of thing you are doing with Google Ads, you need to understand. And Google has given very good brief introduction or details about the things what you are going to do in the Google Ads. So to give people everywhere more transparency, choice, and control, we are verifying every advertiser that uses Google Ads. Benefits of verifying: builds trust, limit fraud, empower your audience, and get more out of Google Ads. Because of that, there are two reasons basically. Because of that, Google came up with advertiser verification. One is, most importantly, one is um, fraud. That like so many, there were so many accounts that were getting created with just a landing page, and those were frauding people. Like they were doing some mischievous kind of activity, just collecting payment, and they were not giving the service. And due to the pressure from Indian government to limit that fraud or stop that fraud, actually they came up to stop the fraud. Actually, they came up with this advertiser verification. Another thing is, if you search for anything, suppose I search for company registration. So if you search for a company registration, you can see there are three dots. If I click on this, I can see the company name detail, Safe Leisure Private Limited, and you can see like why you are why you are able to see this ad. So time of the day, your search terms, and your general location. So mostly any Google ads you see, that will be based on your location and the kind of searches you have given and what time you're searching for it. So this is because some ads might be showing you 24/7. If you see, like, many ads are running time to time, and there might be some time scheduled, like, okay, 9 to 6, most of the businesses operates. And if your business doesn't fall, then you can run your ads 24/7. So if I click on this, and I'm able to see the basic details, and also what I can do is I can go to see more ads this advertiser has showing had shown using Google. So if I click on this website, it will bring me on this website. So you can see the other ads of this company running on Google. So register karo, you can see here, and you have this company details, and you can see what kind of ads. So this is one of the way that you can do competitor research, like what your competitors are doing, what kind of ads they are running. So you can see like they are running search ad, and they are running display ads. So they are running search and display ads. So if you are um, if you are going to run this kind of ad for a company registration, you can think of these options. So here you can search for any topics. So this is showing me mostly about this company only. So I can search for either by the company name or mostly by the company name. So if you can search for um, India filings, so you can see, click on India filings, and you can see the ads that they are running. So they are running YouTube ad and search ads. So here we will start. After we come on advertiser verification under billing, so we'll click on start verification, and we'll say, is your organization an advertising agency? We'll say yes. So if you're if you're not, then you can say no. Since uh, mine is a advertising agency, so I'll say yes. Who do you want to verify today, a client or my agency? My agency. Save and continue. So it's going to ask me the details. So I'll click on, you can see over here, where you can see verify your organization. Click on get started. And here it will ask me what you will need for verification. So your organization's legal name and your organization's address. So we'll click on start verification. Organization. Let's put the details, complete organization name. Click on submit. So we can we need to submit the documents listed over here, either of one document, certification or incorporation, GST registration certificate, VAT registration certificate, society registration certificate, trust deed, partnership deed or agreement, or utility bills. So what I'll do is I'll click on upload and go to let's go to important docs, then GST. So we'll upload this document and click on submit. So you'll get this message, verification in progress. Thanks for submitting your information. We'll review it and get back to you. So within 24 hours, mostly it gets verified. If not, it may take 48 to 72 hours. And they will intimate you through the Gmail, your email ID. Once it's verified, you will get that email that your verification is complete. So though it says like 3 to 5 business days, but yeah, you may get within before that also. Uh, if you have any questions regarding advertiser verification for business, do let me know in comments, and I'll try my best to reply that and help you get your advertiser verification done. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked my video, please do subscribe and get updates about the next videos. Thank you so much.